How to ignore messages on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. However, we will not be using the regular Messenger app. Instead, we will be using Facebook Messenger on any browser. So go ahead and open up your browser and search for Facebook, and then go ahead and open the website and log into your account. Once you do that, make sure that you are on the desktop site version. Once the website loads and you are there, navigate to the Messenger section. And once you are here, select any conversation that you want to ignore. Say, for example, this one right here. I'm going to ignore this conversation. Now on the right side, you will see you have this kind of window in which under the privacy and support drop down, you will see there's an option to ignore messages. If you clicked on it, you will get this pop-up box that tells you that this what will happen when you ignore this conversation. So click ignore messages, and once you do that, the messages will be ignored, and they will be moved to the spam messages section, as you will see right here. They will be removed to spam, as Facebook tells us that when we ignore a conversation or chat, it will be moved to spam. So that was it for this video. That's how you can ignore messages on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.